Hi pilots, welcome to my YouTube channel Michalis FPV. Today we have an unboxing, this time from iFLIGHT, the Nazgul Evoque F7 6S Waterproof with the DJI O4 Pro Air Unit. This is a 7-inch long range FPV drone. Usually Nazgul Evoque we know it as 5-inch drone, but iFLIGHT decided to do it also in 7-inch. I would like to inform you that this drone I bought it with my own money. I'm not sponsored from iFLIGHT, so you're gonna have my honest opinion about this drone. This drone exists in two options, the standard and the waterproof. Later in the video I will explain you why I decided to buy the waterproof option. The Nazgul Evoque F7, you can find it in different receiver protocols. Me, I have the TBS Crossfire Diversity Nano RX, but you can find it with the iFLIGHT ELRS 2.4 GHz, 868 900 MHz dual band diversity RX, and with the DJI FPV controller 2 and 3. So let's start the unboxing and to discover together what exists inside to the box. First in the box we find one set of tri-blade props, HQ brand 7.5 inch, two long antennas for the video transmission of the DJI O4 Pro Air Unit, propeller nuts and GoPro mount, and a connector. So let's put out from the box the drone. You can see we have also these directions of the propellers. Except from the drone we have some stickers, we have a quick start guide, we have safe flight and responsibilities, we have after sales, I don't know what is this, we have a declare and safety witness, and here we have some instructions for the GPA rescue mode and how to set up. So this can be very helpful. We have it in Chinese and we have it also in English. This drone uses sealed waterproof design to protect internal parts from splashes and salt water contact. So this is the reason why I buy this drone, because in the winter time when I fly probably it will start to rain, so to have the time to return back at home and to land and to don't have the stress that the rain will destroy my electronics. So this is something very important that you have to think about it when you fly in the winter time. And sometimes maybe you like to fly when it's snow, so like this you don't have any stress, or maybe you have a bad landing and maybe you land in the bottle of water, so like this again you don't have any worries that you're gonna have short circuit to your electronics. And the other thing is also that when you like to dive from the mountains and they are very high, usually you can find clouds and you have to pass through the clouds, so again you protect like this from the moisture your drone. Or maybe you like to dive from a waterfalls, again you protect your drone from the splashes that you can have. So it's very useful to think about it, to have this kind of drone, because like this never you're gonna have this stress. Of course it's not necessary all the time to try to land in a bottle of waters, or maybe to throw it inside of the water, because for sure if you make it many times you will destroy the waterproof. And don't forget also that sometimes we land in the wet grass, so this is the nightmare of every drone FPV pilot. And with this nice waterproof that has this drone, for sure you don't gonna have any more this kind of worries. To keep the waterproof action, please do not open or modify the inside. This drone has a special waterproof treatment, so in case that in the future you have any damage to your drone and you want to repair it, it's better to don't do it by yourself, but first you have to contact with iFLIGHT and they can advise you what you have to do, and probably you can send it to them and they can repair it for you, and again they can make this special waterproof treatment. So like this again you don't gonna have any worries that you're gonna make any damage to your drone, except if you have all the necessary knowledge to do it by yourself, but I think they make something more special. So they have maybe different kind of methods of coating the electronics. So my opinion is always contact with iFLIGHT and they will advise you what you have to do. The frame you can't see, it is a dead cut design constructed mostly out of carbon fiber. So that is mean that never you're gonna see the propellers in the video. It has very nice build quality and a ton different materials. You have anodized aluminum canopy. The arms of the drone are very thick. They are 6 mm and 3 mm the top and bottom plate. So this drone is fully protected. A stack protector here on the center with a USB-C port, you can see it here, for the flight controller, which is where you can customize your flight modes, your rates and everything from Betterfly. Except that this drone is waterproof, another thing that I love very much is the side panels. The side panels is very important because it keeps out all the gunk, the mud, the dirt, all the other stuff, and it's all kept out so your electronics stay clean. The DJI O4 Pro Air unit, it comes with a UV filter on the front, which is great not only because the UV filter is usable in shooting in bright sunlight, but also that is another layer that protects the camera lens from head-on crashes. The recording system is located near the front, so it receives maximum cooling. The XT60 connector located in the frame has a spark arrest system. The GPS unit is a flip-up style GPS and receives many types of satellite receptions. An external camera mount has already been pre-installed up front. So except from the DJI O4 Pro Air unit, you can use an action camera. We have on this drone the vertical crossfire antenna, and in the back side we have the horizontal antenna. We have the large Brussels motors, the XIN2 or XING2 2809 1250 kV. One thing that really stands out in flight will be these fluorescent green skid plates on each arm. Here is the quad with the LED lights off, and here they are on with the logo of the iFLIGHT, and also is very beautiful. It will look the LEDs also in the side parts, inside to the panels, to the side panels. Really very beautiful drone. I love it so much. So if you fly in the night, you're gonna see these beautiful LED lights. And the weight of the drone without the battery, it's around 767 grams. This drone designed to accept an extremely large battery. You can go to like an 8000 mAh Lion battery, even a 10,000 mAh Lion battery. If I want to fly freestyle, I can use this kind of LiPo batteries, the 2200 mAh and the 3000 mAh. So pilots, that was the unboxing of this beautiful drone, the iFLIGHT Nazgul Evoque F7 Waterproof 6S with the DJI O4 Pro Air unit. So if you are new in my channel, Michalis FPV, please don't forget to subscribe and to press the little bell for all, don't miss any new video that I will post in my channel. For sure we're gonna make more videos about this beautiful drone. We're gonna make the first flight. We're gonna see how far it can go, so we're gonna make a long range distance. We're gonna see how it works, the GPS rescue. We're gonna see the flight time with different kind of batteries, etc. We're gonna see many details of this beautiful drone. I wish you to have a very beautiful day, whatever you do, pilots, and don't forget to have happy and safe flights. So Michalis from the beautiful Greek island of Samos, I salute you and see you in my next video. Bye!